We interview our neighbor, Mr. M, who is above 80 and a caregiver for his wife who is in late-stage dementia. He gave us some advice and pointed out that currently only a few older people use their phones regularly, instead using diaries to write down their memories. However, this number will continue to grow because the younger generation are increasingly using their phones as an extension of themselves. He pointed out that our app can also be used by caregivers to write memory logs for the patients themselves. He encourages us and told us to continue testing our app. Mr. M also shared our app with Mr. Metapali, who has his own successful software product. Mr. Metapali was impressed with our app and its functions. Based on Mr. N's feedback, we decided to increase the font in our app as well as color code different types of memory logs. This is because color association help elderly people when navigating apps.
Let me sign up. Okay, so there's user bio, create, so I can sync my contacts with this. Is this what the first button is?
Well, I can't sync your contacts yet, but you can if it takes you to a form where you can create contacts of people that you know.
Create. So I'm trying the next one, which is create memory log, contact memory. Okay, so then it gives me an option to upload pictures, audio. So, create event memory. Okay, yeah, that worked.
Okay, so if you go to view past logs, do you see that log that you created?
Yeah, I actually do see both the contact memory as well as the event memory.
Okay, if you click on it, is it displaying the picture and everything?
I didn't put in any picture, but
is it showing the log itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, it is showing for both of them. So the ones at the bottom are still all of the logs. There's place, event, journal.
Yeah, if you click on them, it'll sort it by the type of contact. I mean, the type of memory.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So, is the color scheme okay? Do you think any of the colors are busy or is that fine?
I think the colors are really good, Kanna. So the colors are good. The layout is not, the layout is good. It's not overwhelming. It's simple to use. Like the front page is pretty easy.
Okay.
You can just by the name of the app, I think you can just by the description that you provided, it's easy to know what I'm getting into.
Okay. Do you think for someone with dementia and Alzheimer's, if they get into the routine of using it, do you think it would be useful for them?
I'm sure it'll be useful.
And then I created a journal log. That went that good as far as my understanding. Yeah.
Do you think it would be useful for people with Alzheimer's or dementia to use?
Correct. Yes, it'll be very useful.
Is the font big enough? All the buttons good?
Buttons are good. Buttons are good. One thing I noticed is entering the date. If it is today's date, they don't need to enter because it's showing up there in the gray when they start a new log. Probably the today's date can be optional. One they enter or not enter, it should take it automatically. Once they pick the date, it should automatically fill in the date.
Did you like the color scheme of the app?
Yes, yes. Color scheme is good.
Okay. Any other comments about the app? What did you like about the app? Maybe.
It is very simple to use.
We asked our testers multiple questions, with the most important data points being their age, their experience as a caretaker, and the app's usability. The reason we asked the testers about their age, experience, and the app's usability was because those factors play a critical role in how our target audience will be able to interact with the platform. The other questions were asked as feedback for improvements that could be made to the app in the future.
Created using Powtoon.